These kind of incidents, like the conflict between different species of animals and birds, especially not even the wild animals, but conflict between the vultures that really depend upon the dead animals, and the domesticated dogs have been a quite challenge to keep up the survival rate of the vultures. So this kind of activity is kind of serious in terms of conservation efforts to deal with the challenges of the vulnerable endangered species of vultures.